Hello, it's Harry from the Waterside Holiday Group. I'm at Chesil Beach Holiday Park today, and I'm going to give you a video tour around our Carnaby Highgrove. So as you enter into the holiday home, you are greeted with a beautiful open plan front half of the holiday home. Into the kitchen area, you have a corner unit there with a 4 gas burner hob. You have your grill here and our oven just beneath. Plenty of cupboard space, as you can see, which is, I would say, crucial in a holiday home as you'll be spending, potentially weeks here at any given time. Extractor fan just above. Now, the other side of the kitchen, you have this amazing floor to ceiling storage cupboard with your Velux sky pole, which will open your Velux, which is fantastic for airflow as well as natural light. Over here, you have a resin sink in a beautiful white overhead storage, as well as an integrated dishwasher, as well as also a washing machine. You have a freestanding dining room table and chairs. With this purchase, all the crockery is included, so that's your knives, your forks, your pots and your pans, even your kitchen utensils. This is the living room, so you have this beautiful domestic style sofa. This holiday home is a 4-berth, there is no sofa bed. You've got a lovely little armchair over there. Now, this holiday home has front opening doors. So given the right pitch here at Chesil Beach, you'll have a front decking overlooking Portland and the Fleet Lagoon. This holiday home is fantastic for winter, as you do have this electric fireplace, which does create a lovely, warm, cozy feel on those cold, wintry nights. One of my favourite features of the Carnaby Highgrove is that it does feature 2 showers. So in this bathroom here, you have a wash basin, a loo, and you even have a towel rail too. Now, down the hallway, you do have this twin bedroom where you have USB sockets throughout, overhead storage, really spacious wardrobe space, and even somewhere to get ready in the morning. Now into the most important room of them all, which is the master bedroom. You have a king-size bed with underbed storage, plenty of space overhead for storage as well. You have a vanity corner over here with additional drawers, some shelving units, and a double wardrobe just over there. Now, as I said earlier, in the Carnaby Highgrove, you do have 2 showers. So the second one being in the ensuite, where you have a double shower, you have a sink basin, as well as a loo. Thank you for watching this holiday home tour. If owning a holiday home here at the Waterside Group is something that might just interest you, please give us a call on 01305 836 836 or click the link in the description.